Okay, so I got my yellow spectacles on.
You're yellow.
Yeah,
It's black.
It's yellow.
it's yellow,
The
yellow,
lens.
yellow, yellow
The
lens.
lens.
Now, why yellow lens? Because
Because it helps you reduce the light from the computer.
oh, the glare, right? The glare.
Because I also have one.
Yeah, I'm allergic to computers. In case you don't know, and
No.
handphones.
Oh.
Yeah, so I need to buy all these gadgets,
The
right?
eye protection.
Yeah, it's an eye protection, right? And then can you see it's reflecting blue.
Mine is the blue. My mom
Yeah,
said she got the
reflecting
blue
You see?
version for
It
me.
reflects blue color. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Right. So all the blue color is reflected. What does it mean? That means I don't see any blue thing.
So what color is this?
This is like black.
What color is his mask? What color is all three of our masks?
White color. White
That's a
color
lie.
mask. White color mask. Okay.
And the inside are white.
Okay, so it's to protect my eyes. Now I bought this a long time ago. Forgot to wear it for the month of February and March, and then my eye problem started coming back. What's my eye problem? That means it will start twitching. Like here, it will go.
Oh, that's what my P1 teacher used to
And then I'm
do.
like, oh, then I have to close, close, open, right? Because I don't know. I think it's like too strenuous. Okay.
That's what I always have every time.
Yeah, so I find that these
That means you need
blue they are called blue ray glasses, right? They reflect only one color, that's blue. So if you ask me why blue, I have no idea. Okay, but the scientists discovered that if you reflect the blue color light, the eyeballs tends to be healthier.
My
Okay,
mom
so
said
can you
she
see
got
it's all
some
blue?
vision thingy for
Yeah,
my glasses, but
yeah.
I see everything's still blue.
Yeah, no, maybe yours is not like a special blue ray reflective. Can you see it's all blue? Can you see the reflection?
I can see blue, but it's, you
Yeah.
really can't see anything.
Yeah, so all blue. Phew. No, I'm just blocking you. I'm blocking. Okay, so are you ready for today's lesson? Yes, Mr. Deng. Okay, very good. Right, thanks for
I don't
Suchan's
think anybody
answer.
sounds like that.
No, Suchan said that. What?
You said that?
Yeah.
You said that? She said no.
Is it yes,
He
Mr.
said
Deng?
no.
And
Yeah.
she
Right.
no.
Suchan is the one who will respond to me.
She just said no.
Go ahead, Suchan. Yes, Mr. Deng. You see?
No.
No, what I mean. You say yes, what?
She's shaking her head. It's not.
Look at the guy. Look at the guy do the boxing.
It's a girl.
It's a guy.
It's a girl.
That's a girl.
The guy.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
The
Sister,
guy.
can
The
you-
one in
can
grey,
you look
no?
at that? Is that a girl?
Gray color, like gray color.
Oh, grey color.
What gray? Gray. There's only one in gray. Boxing the punching bag.
You feeling?
Huh?
I mean, from my angle, right?
Or maybe you can see inside because you're sitting there.
Oh yeah. Okay, never mind. So anyway, welcome to our P5 science people.
When do we have holiday from the class?
Huh? What do you mean?
Do we not have
What a
holiday?
question to ask, right? We just started and you asked for holiday. You already had holiday last week, what?
No, from this class.
What do you mean?
No,
There's no
this
holiday.
is my last week of school.
Okay, because you're in a different type of school, you're not in a Singapore school.
Second last day of school.
Yeah, I'm talking about
weeks.
Singapore school, right? So Singapore schools had a holiday last week. Okay, you're asking about what holiday from this class?
Yes.
Oh, the answer is never.
But we had it like 2 weeks. I think.
No, Chinese
Christmas.
New Year.
Chinese New Year and Christmas. The only time I stop is Chinese New Year and Christmas. Okay, for
You
2
never
weeks.
sick.
Who?
You.
Yeah, I was sick before, but I try not to be sick because I wear mask. Okay, I can cover it up here so that it doesn't fog the face. Okay, awesome now. Okay, so today we are going to go into this chapter. It's called the reproductive system in the human female and the male
It says
reproductive system.
reproductive animals. Animals are not humans.
What do you mean animals? These humans.
Animals.
Humans are classified as animals. We are all
When you said animals, first thing into my mind was like fish.
we are all mammals.
Yeah, fish.
I know.
I'm not an animal that walks with my legs.
You are an animal.
I'm not.
You are part. We are part of the animal
What
category.
thing is
Are we
what is-
mammals?
Yeah, we are mammals. Okay.
We are mammals, but it doesn't mean we're animals.
We are mammals, so we have a mole, right? So we are most likely animals. Mole, M-A-L.
No, we are
Mole,
moles.
moles, mammals. Okay. So I'm not going to argue about that, whether we are animals or not. It's a
No.
fact we are animals. Okay, next. So we already studied about how animals reproduce, studied about how plants reproduce. We even had an aquarium. We saw how the
And then we also had
snails die.
cells.
Yeah, we had cells, right? We see how plants die. We see how snails die. We saw how plants can grow. But so far, we haven't seen animals reproduce over there. I was hoping one of them will reproduce, but you know.
Yeah, they all
Dying.
failed.
Yeah, they've been dying more than reproducing. So we're gonna continue here, right? So this chapter we're gonna go into the humans one. Now, first we need to understand the different parts of the male and the female body. Okay. Now, both systems, the male and the female, they develop these sex cells that fuse during fertilization into a single cell, then develop into a human being. So what is an example in the plant, right? Is when the pollen grain goes into the, where does the pollen grain go to? Ovule. Pollen grain from the male part go to the female part. Got it? Yes.
Speaking of it, oh,
Hmm?
she made a top.
What did she make? I see. What did you make? What's that?
A top.
What's that? I see.
Wow.
Come, must show the whole world. Come here.
Can you teach us how
Come,
to
come,
make
come,
it
come,
later?
come, come. What in the world is
You minus
this?
3 papers are
Can you teach us how to make it?
Look at that.
Can we make it later?
Yeah, we can.
Can I?
Wait, but what? I'll try. Oh man. 3.
Can I try it? I wanna
Yeah,
make
sure,
it. No,
sure,
I don't want
sure.
to try it. I want to make it. Can we make it?
Oh, well,
That's cool.
you didn't say yes or no. Oh, what is this? It's a lotus.
What's the top?
I don't know. I think it's like that cannot.
No.
Spin like that, huh? Never know, right?
Can
Maybe
we
can.
make it later?
Yeah, I'll try and make it later.
Yay.
Alright, so anyway, back to here, right? So when the male sex cell and the female sex cells fuse together, we call it fertilization, right? So in the form of a plant, in the plant form is basically the pollen grains fusing with the ovule. Okay, so in the human, it's called the sex cells fused during fertilization. So the eggs are called female sex cells, or female sex cells are also called eggs. So at puberty, when a girl is about 12 years old, the egg will start to mature in her ovary. All right. So 12 years old, puberty is also the period where y'all will grow. Okay. So girls will grow spurt. Very good. Okay. Growth spurt, right? So guys, yeah, unfortunately, it's later on. Okay, so now you haven't grown yet. You can look at your brother, right? Your brother didn't really grow until he was like Sec 3. Like you see,
He didn't even grow anywhere.
yeah, he grew, right?
He
Grew
didn't
taller and bigger.
It grew shorter.
Okay, so each month, the after puberty, the egg will be released from the ovary during ovulation every month. So you need to know the female parts of the parts of the female reproductive system, right? Ovary is here, this one. This is the egg is produced. This is the fallopian tube, right? The uterus, this is called the womb. Womb is for the baby to grow, right? The vagina is where the sperm will enter to go
It's
in.
like an alien.
It's a picture.
It's an alien.
No, it's not
It's
alien.
an alien.
That's not alien. Male sex cells. So sperms are produced in the testes, right? Over here, penis, they are released through the penis. That's all.
It's a lot of
So simple.
it's a lot of pages.
Yeah, a lot of questions.
Oh, yeah.
So what is fertilization? It is the process where the sperm will travel up and find the ovum and fertilize. It's the same as the pollen grain fertilizing the ovum. Yeah, it looks like a tadpole. So thousands of the sperms will cluster around the egg. Thousands of them. However, only one will succeed.
Can I get
Thousands will be around and then only one will succeed, right? So one sperm and prevents the others from breaking through.
Can I get a hi?
What?
I have no idea what you just said. But we shall continue, okay? So the fertilized ovum develops rapidly along the fallopian tube towards the womb. And at the womb, what will happen? At the womb? it will grow, right? How does it look like when they grow? Okay, the fetus.
What,
At first you have the embryo, then it becomes a fetus at
That
12
is a
weeks.
fetus.
No, it's a fetus.
Foetus.
Fetus.
Come on,
Fetus.
people, you gotta trust my pronunciation. You know?
Fetus.
Foetus.
Fetus.
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 Fœtus.
This is French.
It's just
Fœtus.
Wait, you spelled it wrong. It should be fetus.
What fetus? English,
It's detect language.
That's English?
Fetus.
Fetus.
But then you spelled it wrong. You see, look.
No, I didn't spell wrong. Foetus. Which one wrong?
No, you spelled it wrong.
Huh? Where?
Punjabi.
What?
What is that?
No idea.
Punjabi.
Icelandic.
Japanese. I always like Japanese, right?
胎児
Tai Chi, yes.
fetus.
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 Okay.
It's
Not fetus.
Foetus.
It's fetus. Fetus. Taiji. Okay. So the taiji will grow. Where will the taiji grow? In the
The ovary.
womb. What ovary? Ovary is the egg.
CQ.
Womb.
Boom.
Womb.
子宮
Yeah.
子宮
Right. So the taiji will grow in the womb. And the
No,
so how long does it take? It takes 12 weeks, right? So how does it look like? Fetus growing child. All right, this is how we all look like when we were young.
What's
Okay.
that kid there?
See?
It looks like it's
All
launching the baby out. It's a
right. So this is a good child. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Fetus. IG. So at first it's like that, right? Fertilization. Can you see one tiny sperm enter? Yeah. So and then after that it will be like, oh, it's fertilized. It's energized already. Energized, it will start to divide. Can you see one become two, two become four, four become eight, eight become 16, and so on and so on
16
and so on.
children?
No, it's a cell.
And
It's a
then
cell.
becomes a
Then it become one big
honeycomb.
rambutan. Can you see that? And after rambutan become a mushroom. After mushroom become alien. After alien become
Alien.
rhino.
What?
Little alien. Kind of thing.
then
Wait, that's the kid?
boomerang.
That's the kid?
Yeah, that's a kid.
Oh my
Then after
god.
that, you start to
Boomerang.
grow.
I
Boomerang.
used to look like an alien.
Yeah, we all look like that. Okay, like we all look like that. Now, can you see something interesting over here? What do you observe?
Alien?
No, what's
I
this?
have a tail.
Oh, the
Yeah,
spine.
yeah, tail. Very
It's a
good.
spine.
Tail.
Spine.
Every human being had a tail as a
I am a monkey.
fetus, right? At 4 weeks old. When you were 4 weeks old, you and me, we had a tail. Then after that, slowly it disappeared. Why do we have a tail? Because we evolved from
The alien world.
monkey.
Apes.
Monkey got tail, right? Apes are monkeys, right? So got tail. Right?
Apes.
We evolved from monkeys.
Yeah,
I
you
don't
didn't
believe that.
know?
Search it.
You didn't know?
Yes, actually. They actually evolved from monkeys.
Human evolution. Dun dun dun.
They evolved from monkeys.
Dun dun dun.
The boy.
Dun dun dun. Monkey, monk, man.
Wait,
Doesn't
so
it make sense?
there used to be monkeys.
Monkey.
Caveman.
Wait, there used to be monkeys with muscles.
What do you mean? Everyone has
The
muscles.
monkey has muscles.
Yeah, we're monkeys, right? So we were like, is there any more? They are like that, right? We used to walk with 4 limbs, then slowly we stand up. Yeah. So that's
Why I
how.
look like a monkey when I
Oh,
blow
Yeah,
up this
so
God.
area.
right.
Oh
Okay.
god. That's not the big
So we
lips.
look something like that. Then human beings.
Human beings,
Yeah, that
yeah.
is our ancestor right there.
Oh,
They're alive.
it had teeth.
Of course, what? Monkeys have teeth.
It's just weird to see that monkey.
Alright, so this is our ancestor.
No,
Here's
the
another
teeth
one.
look exactly like human
Now
teeth.
here's another one, right? Our great grandparent. It's like this.
I found that,
I was
that looks
related
like
to a
Grandma
monkey.
Michael Jordan.
Oh, they are humans already, right? Oh, look at this. Became fat. Look at that.
That's fake.
That's a
Ancestors, right?
wait. Can you So is the monkey, man, R.I.P.
What RP? There is another one.
Oh,
This
what
one
is
not-
that?
I don't know what
There,
it
this
is.
one, yeah. Humans.
Okay, that's fake.
Monkey human,
Oh,
right?
my.
Evolution.
Is that Jack Black?
What?
I don't know what I'm
Alright,
saying. What
so-
is that? Has human evolution came to aliens?
No lah. Okay, so that's how we evolve, right? Slowly we evolve until we look like what we look like now.
Why would check that be?
Alright, so evolution. It's kind of pronounce evolution.
Hinka.
Evolution.
Evolution.
進化
Oh, how do you know?
Kamehameha.
Kamehameha, what are you talking about? Alright, so
Tai Chi. You
What?
do Tai Chi.
Kamehameha. Kame.
No, that is Japanese.
Kamehameha.
So you should search that in the Japanese.
Kamehameha. Kamehameha.
Alright, so that is the fertilization, right? So the fetus will take 12 weeks to grow and eventually become a baby for in 40 weeks time. Okay, so 40 weeks time.
Wait, did you say the baby can only survive for 28 weeks?
Wait, baby pregnant.
Sadness.
Wait, did you just say the baby is pregnant?
No, I said baby and pregnancy, right? So I have to check.
The baby is pregnant.
Pregnancy.
Why is there a foot on the lady's stomach? No, the baby is pregnant.
What? Right,
The
pregnant, right? So this is after 40 weeks, right? So the baby is inside here.
That is
there was
after 40 weeks.
There was a
Yeah.
pregnant baby.
No lah.
Yes.
Okay, so it lasts for average of 40 weeks, right? So a baby born at 38 weeks can survive. So what you're saying is if the baby did not wait until 40 weeks and decided to come out earlier, it can survive, but we got to put it in an incubator. What's an incubator? Baby incubator. Warmer, yeah, it looks like a warmer kind of thing, right? This stuff. Right?
It's
Tiny
like an
little,
emergency.
yeah, emergency kind of thing, right? So
Is that a
it's
baby?
very
Only for
expensive.
emergencies or every single baby?
Well, no. This is for babies that don't come out
Normally.
in 40 weeks. They come out earlier. So by the time when you come out earlier, the baby is not fully developed, right? Can you imagine the tail is still there and all this stuff?
It
It's
maybe
blue.
might
It
be
will be blue.
dead. It might be
Yeah.
dead.
Yeah, so we have to be very careful. We got to put them inside the incubator for them to grow slowly before they can come out to the real world. If not, they will not survive.
This looks like
Baby
an
falls from
alien.
ICU incubator.
You. This is a Tarzan baby. So
This looks like an alien.
yeah, we all look kind of like an alien, okay? So at the 8th week, we look like that. 12th week, we were totally an alien, okay? Then by the 12th week and the 38th week, the human form is there. Start to have hair
How
and
come it
fingernails
already
and
has
all
hair?
this stuff. Yeah, it has. Baby already has hair.
No, actually, some baby are born with hair.
Some, not all, right? Most babies have hair. So babies retrieve nutrients and oxygen, all this from the mother. How does that happen? It's through this bag called the placenta. Right? Let me see. Placenta. All right. So imagine the baby is here. Right inside here,
What is that?
there is a bag.
Oh,
Right.
A bag?
Yeah, there's a bag with all the food and nutrients and oxygen that is connected to the umbilical cord that's connected to the belly button of the baby that's inside the mother. So the baby will actually get all the nutrients from here. So where does the nutrients come from? It comes from the mom, right? So whatever food the mom eats,
Can I eat a sandwich?
some of it will come here.
So if she eats McDonald's, the baby's also eating
Yeah, so the
McDonald's.
McDonald's will come here, right?
I
If she
should
drink,
eat ice cream.
if she eat ice cream, the ice cream will come here, right? If she eat like alcohol, drink orange juice, drink whatever stuff, everything will come here.
Imagine my mom drank alcohol.
Ew, that would be terrible. Okay. All right, so that is the placenta that stores all the food that's necessary for baby. Because now, why is the placenta necessary? Because inside here, can the baby grab food and get McDonald's?
Yes. No, it
Right.
just eats whatever it gets.
Hello, give me McDonald's. No, it can't. Okay, so it has to depend on the mom. So whatever the mom eats, the nutrients will come here, so as a bag, and the baby will just like suck everything from the umbilical cord. But of course, it doesn't. Yeah, banana as well. It doesn't need to suck through the mouth. It's like, and then it goes into the belly button. That's why every one of us have a belly button, because
What?
Wait,
You didn't know
that's where the cord went.
but that because when we were inside
Then
there,
they just cut it off.
the story, they all got story you must tell, right? So because when we were inside, we were all like floating in the water.
Floating in the water.
Yeah, we are inside
How
here.
is this such a big place?
No, this is floating. We are floating in the water.
It's not water.
This is
Yes,
water.
exactly water.
This is water, right? It's water, right? So we were floating in the water, and then we were like, oh, we don't know what's going on. We cannot even. We can open our eyes, close our eyes. We can't see anything. It's darkness everywhere. Can't eat, right? Cannot order pizza, McDonald's, whatever. So we just get the food directly from the umbilical cord. We're like, give me food. Oh, I'm full already. And you don't even know why. Then suddenly you're hungry, right? And then your mom will eat some stuff, and the stuff will like go into the stomach. Oh, I'm full already. I'm hungry. I'm full. I'm hungry. That's it. That's how I spent 40 weeks. In your mother's
That's why
stomach.
belly button.
Yeah. So after pregnancy, that means after the baby is comes out. Okay, what happens to all this stuff? What happens to the umbilical cord?
Would the stomach remains big?
No, it will become smaller, right? So umbilical cord and placenta. This will be quite gross. I'll just give some warning first. Are you sure you want to see? Let's do a poll, right? You want to watch? You want to see? Susan says no. You want to see?
I'm okay with
You want to see?
I'm okay.
Dun,
anything, I
dun,
don't
dun.
It's not gross.
Okay, so the umbilical cord is when the baby comes out, right? They have to cut and tie the umbilical cord.
And then I just wrote them.
2 weeks later, the part that's tied to a knot will drop off, right? Some of your parents might have even kept it.
Wait, what's that?
Oh!
One more time. One more time. So this thing, right? After the baby comes out,
They cut and
yeah, it
just
looks like that. Okay. So this is the placenta.
What?
All the nutrients, okay, and this is the umbilical. This part is connected to your belly button. So
Wait,
after
it comes out with the baby?
after you come out, after I come out, right? The doctor will be like, hey, mom, do you want the placenta?
I would.
Do you want to take it home? Right? Some mothers want to take
Probably
it home.
burn it.
Some mothers want to cook it and eat it,
Wait, so
right?
that's an organ.
You can cook it and eat it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on.
Yeah, probably want to eat it.
Some mothers, because these are all the nutrients, all the nutrients inside.
Is it yummy?
You say what?
Is it yummy?
I don't know. I would imagine so. Okay,
Huh.
look at that, right? So the doctor will cut this one, right, and then they will tie a knot. Okay, so that's why all our belly buttons has got a what?
Big.
Knot. It's a knot. You understand?
Dude, oh my god.
Wait, you need to check. You didn't know?
No, I
It's a
didn't.
knot, right? Why? Because after the thing drop off, so can you imagine if the doctor doesn't cut properly? Like he doesn't cut like
He doesn't cut
close to
any.
the end. He cuts and then he leaves like this much. Then you will have this thing dangling until
If you go
Yes,
to the home hospital, then
yeah, you go to hospital and then people are like, dude, why do you still have your belly umbilical cord there? Then you gotta go back, or because 15 years ago, 12 years ago, the doctor didn't do a
And
proper
also
job.
he got sued for it.
Yeah, of cutting,
what
right?
are you doing?
So now I have the umbilical cord sticking out. Okay.
Wait, if you cut it off at this age, like if the surgeon doesn't cut it off, then like 15 years later, do you want to cut it off? Will it be painful or do you
Of
just
course, it's like cutting finger, no?
So it becomes part of you.
It is part of you. What do you mean it becomes part of you? It is part of you, right? So they have to cut it off, right?
Wait,
Like,
so when they cut it off, will there be blood?
of course, bloody and everything, right? But don't worry, because the whole thing is bloody. Because it come out from your mom, right? It's like a bloody process.
Yeah, my mom, me and my brother had to be out of the stomach. Like, she
Yeah,
had to get
cesarean.
cut twice.
Yeah, that's called cesarean. Okay,
What?
cesarean means
What?
Emergency
cesarean means that they have to emergency birth. So this, imagine the baby inside here. So by right is supposed to come out from the vagina, but then for his case, couldn't be done. So the mom has to say, okay, doctor, can you cut my stomach? That means cut here.
Wait, she was awake.
Yeah, and then take
She was awake.
take 一角 out. Like,
She was awake.
quick.
Was she awake?
Yeah.
That's just painful.
No, they will put the painkiller.
Anesthesia.
Yeah, anesthesia. And then she will be able to look at, oh, my stomach is being cut open.
No, when they put the thing on my hand, they said, you won't feel a thing. I felt the poking.
Okay,
They did
so
nothing.
yeah,
Wait,
so
you mean the IG drip?
No, they said they put the.
I know you will not feel the pain, but you will still feel the thing like someone
No, you still
poking.
feel
Yeah, I
the
felt the
mental
pain.
pain.
Okay, so that means the doctor did a bad job.
No, you
You see
still
that, doctor?
feel the mental pain, not the
Okay, maybe the
physical
mental
pain.
pain.
What is mental
Yeah,
pain?
so they will cut here. I mean, they won't cut like that. Okay, they will cut like that, like a smiley face. So those mothers whose stomach has been cut has got a smiley face there because they cut like that one.
Yeah, there's like a scar here.
I'm not kidding, right? Yeah, they cut like a smiley face because that's the easiest way to take out the baby,
I don't want to see that.
right? Placenta, look.
Can't see anything.
Hmm?
I can't see. I covered what I covered
Yep.
it.
What's so gross about that thing?
Placenta.
It really just looks like meat.
No.
It is me, what are you talking about?
Oh,
Placenta. Okay, placenta, right? So all the blood vessels and then it's a bloody process, right? So if you can't handle this, you cannot be a doctor, cannot be a nurse.
I don't want to be a nurse. Wait, a nurse has to do everything?
no, a nurse has to prepare all the stuff.
Yeah, have to help,
Must maintain a patient.
help the
No, wait,
doctor.
I thought you could choose what job you want. Like, what do you want to do when you're a nurse?
No, you have to do it,
You
okay?
just gotta do
Oh, you know
everything.
that.
Alright, so now because of okay, this is a question just ask you. Because of the way that the baby is inside, alright, can you explain when the baby is supposed to come out through the vagina here, which one comes out first? Is it the head or the leg?
Obviously the
The
head.
head.
Sujan?
Wait, what if you pull the head and the whole head comes off?
Sujan? Is it the head or the leg? Which one comes out first?
Just that this head is one and leg is two.
No, which one came first? The chicken
No,
or
no,
the egg?
no, 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 no. The head, which one should come first? The head or the leg?
Question, that's me.
Sujan say leg.
Really?
God made-
I saw Grace and telling me that there
Mm.
was a child when the head came out first.
Uh-huh.
I-
Yeah, so the head must come first, right? Can you give me a reason why the head must come out first?
Because the baby can't do a flip.
What do you mean?
The baby is already positioned like that. It can't do like front flip.
No, the baby isn't positioned like that. The baby is positioned the other
Because
way.
the cord is big.
Yeah, because you don't want. Okay, can you imagine if the leg comes out first? What happens to the hand?
Oh.
The hand will go like that. Right? And then you'll be like grab all kind of stuff, you know?
Yeah, then, oh.
So if the head comes out
What if
first,
they grab the organ?
yeah, the baby hand will be like, you know? Then it comes out like this.
You can't imagine holding an organ.
Yeah, can you imagine? You come out then, why are you holding the lungs?
Here's your organ.
Yeah, can you please put back the lungs? And okay, let's put back the lungs.
Yeah, but then it's like so if it's
Hmm?
what's super cute is like if
Huh?
you birth it then the baby just let out a very fun laugh. Just
Fun laugh? No, they always scream when they come out.
yeah,
They're always
crying.
screaming. They're crying because when they're inside there, it's dark, it's comfortable.
But
it's,
then they're like so
Why
Yeah.
the baby's
so
quiet?
just
That
like
means it's it.
no, they will make the baby scream.
They want it to
like,
scream?
Yeah, they want to scream.
Like the baby just
If the baby doesn't scream, the baby will be blue in color because there's not enough oxygen, right? They need to scream so that the oxygen will start to come in. So they'll cry. When you're crying, what do you do?
There's such thing as
Yeah,
a blue.
when mom
There's
when
such
when
thing
my
as a
Yeah.
blue baby.
mom
Yes.
was breastfeeding me, you know what
Yeah.
happened?
I know.
She was watching the TV and then she didn't look at me and I just turned blue.
Really?
Yes,
Are you serious?
actually.
Okay. Yeah.
My
So.
brother's hip was broken on the ground.
What?
What? Okay, never mind. Never
What?
mind. Okay, but it's true, right? The baby can become blue if they don't start to
Can you
breathe.
search blue child?
No, I'm not gonna. It'll be very gross, alright, to look at that. So anyway, the
Such
baby
big
comes
child.
out. Listen, baby comes out through the head. Now, if the baby isn't positioned like that, you know what the doctor has to do? No, the doctor has to physically turn while the baby is still inside. The doctor will be okay, guys. We need to change the direction of
Just
the
like
head.
take a knife and
No, they won't, right? They'll be like the mother, pregnant mom is like over there. Then they will like press the stomach and like.
Would the mom be sleeping?
Yeah. No, the mom is awake.
Why is the mom awake?
They'll be like until the head is positioned downward. Can you imagine? Okay, it's like twist the stomach. Okay, they have to do that. Okay, if not, it'll be very dangerous. So once the baby is out and everyone is screaming and everyone is happy, throw away the placenta, throw away the umbilical cord. They will. What are you doing? Right? They will go and take a break. Okay.
actually many
What do you mean?
actually
We
many
can take
infants
a break.
Yeah, they will rest.
just
The
sit
mom,
comfortably
the
and
mom will be like, okay, it's time to rest. And of course, the baby will go to the what
actually
room?
many
Baby room.
infants on their first surgery.
Yeah,
Okay, they'll probably throw up.
I don't know, right? So pew comes out like that. Okay.
Wait, why did you take out the organ to food? Oh, what do you mean bon appetit?
What wrong with it? Yeah, because
Bon-
people eat the placenta. I told you, right? You see,
Appetit.
I cook my wife's placenta. Placenta food.
But you don't know what she ate.
I don't know.
Oh, maybe I could eat then just put some gravy on it.
Yeah, but you don't know what
Yeah.
you ate.
So anyway, this placenta. Ooh, look at the delicacy. No, disgusting. So placenta, some people use placenta like now from animals. You know what they use for?
Eat food.
Goat placenta. Goat.
What? There's a goat.
Yeah,
Good.
There's
into
a
pills, right? They make it into pills so people eat the placenta, right? So it looks like
But
yeah, it comes from here. Come from here.
can I
So
But
it comes out
can you
from here.
please change this?
What do you mean?
I don't want to watch this.
Eh?
I don't want to look at it.
Pills, right?
It's
Pills. Why? Look at that. Boop. One big balloon comes out, right? So why do they use what they use placenta? Because it has a lot of nutrients, okay? Now some female even use it as cosmetic, you know. Cosmetic. Because it has a lot of nutrients, right? Can you imagine if you put the whole placenta on your face? Your face will absorb all the nutrients.
I want to
then
slap the
Then
lady.
will I become handsome?
yeah, you'll suddenly become K-pop guy.
Then how about my stomach? Will I become slim?
No. You will become bigger because you absorb no nutrients.
Then
Okay.
what's the point then?
Yeah, so they take the goat one, and then after that they put it on their face. I'm not
You
even
don't know what the
kidding.
goat ate. What if we ate plastic?
No, it's
Goat
it
eat
grass, right? Goat
everything,
placenta
yeah.
as
Like the
cosmetic.
pants,
Yeah, what did they eat? They like,
Okay, look at that. Deer placenta. Right, goat placenta. Everything cosmetic, right? So were you thinking of when I say put on your face, did you think that they will take the whole placenta and put on your
Yes.
face?
Yes.
No, of course they don't do that, right? They put it into powder form or cream form.
So
See,
by pushing this, you
cream.
become fat.
No, your face becomes like a baby.
I should become my face. Now I should work on my
become-
stomach.
Yeah, so become like a baby face, right? Everybody wants baby face, right? So put placenta on the face.
What if I become a gold face?
That's highly possible. Because it is.
Wait, but that's not a person. Wait, what is
You
it?
see? Can you
Percentage?
see how expensive it is? $525 to put
But
the
that's
placenta.
called lamar cream.
Yeah, but it has placenta inside.
But it's like
Wait, what? How do you pronounce it? Percentage?
like
Placenta, goat placenta.
Placenta.
it looks cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap to turn into a baby, right? For $500, this is Sephora. This is like a branded
Yes.
thing,
Are
right?
you shopping?
Luxurious moisturizer that
I
heals
don't
with deep
think anybody should call that
moisturizer.
luxury.
Formula there with what? Darken, I don't know. Okay, there's probably some placenta thing here. If not, I don't know why it would appear here. So that is very expensive, right? Putting placenta on your face. I'm not sure why you want to do that, but
Should I just like
See?
buy 10 packets?
placenta.
Now I should just stuff them all over.
Yeah, the girl will be happy, see? Thanks for taking our placenta.
They look sad.
They look like dollies.
Alright, so moving
They look like
on.
dolly.
Moving on. Alright, so that is the placenta.
I wanna go home. I don't like watching this.
Why?
It's too disgusting.
Okay, sometimes more than one baby develops. Oh,
Ah, yeah, the twins.
come, how come? More than one baby, you know? What is the most number of babies that a mother can give birth to
4,
4,
in the world?
6, 8, 12.
See, she got answer.
100,
In one delivery?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe 4.
7, 8,
4.
8, 8, 8.
Dun, dun, dun.
I think it's 8.
4, right?
It's 8 lah.
4.
Dun,
Is it 8?
What is it? You keep saying don't know.
dun, dun,
Is it 8?
Oh, okay.
dun. Guinness Book. 6 boys, 2 girls. That's 8.
Aha, told you.
What's wrong?
I told you
It's
so.
okay, so 8. See,
Wait,
Sucha is
so
correct.
they're all twins?
No, they're all different.
No, in one time? Or...
Yeah, one time. Like one birth, 8 came out.
But then, so they all
They're all
have the same
different.
birthday.
They're
So
all
what does that
different.
mean?
Okay,
How does
so
it
let's take a
happen?
look, right? Queen there, here it is.
That's all the children.
That's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Why do some have black and hair and one
Yeah,
have some white
because
hair?
it's genes. Genes.
That guy's a grandpa.
Which the father has
Father brown hair, so some is half, right? So get from the mom, get from the dad. So can you imagine the size of her stomach when she was pregnant? Yeah, let's take a look at the picture. It's called 8
Biggest
babies pregnant. See. Dum dum dum. dum.
That's a lot.
Is that the person?
Yeah, that's the one.
Wait, she gave birth to. Oh,
8 lah.
How much percentage
can you
does she
stop
have?
looking at that?
What?
How much percentage does she have?
Then 1,
why is there
2,
food
3,
there?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How come 11?
Why is there food there?
No, it's fake one, fake. Okay, so that's how big.
That isn't nice.
If you
woman-
just like walked in public, you probably just.
You see, that's normal.
What normal?
No.
No, this not normal, right?
This is
not normal.
Is it gone? Is the picture gone? Oh no, it's back.
Like, how?
It's back.
Octopus means 8 babies. Okay.
Oh.
How come? Right.
Thank you.
So the reason is very simple. Now we gotta study pregnancy again.
Ew. It's photos, not
It is.
people. Photos.
So by right, hey, look at that, so cute.
That
Okay,
looks
by
like
right,
a
by
deer
right,
baby.
by right inside here, right, there should be only 1 egg and 1 sperm fertilized.
But this
Sometimes the mom has got 8 eggs. I repeat that one more time. 8 eggs.
Okay.
Not 8 eggs, right? 8 eggs at the same time.
8 eggs. 8 eggs. 8個の卵。
Tamago.
Ah yeah, that's why the tamago, the you know,
Egg.
the really
Yeah.
soft
Wait, they have this thing called the mango. Does that mean that they're made out of people eggs?
Eggs.
People eggs?
No, tamago is just eggs.
No, chicken eggs.
Normal eggs.
Yes. No, you know at 7-Eleven there's a product called the mango egg.
Yeah.
It's very yummy.
So anyway, the mom has 8 eggs, and then 8 of them get.
Died.
Yeah, you almost died. Don't do that, right? It's pretty bad. Okay. So the 8 eggs are fertilized at the same time. So when 8 eggs fertilize at the same time, all of them will develop into babies at the.
So
Womb.
they're twins.
They're not twins. They're octuplets.
What?
Octuplets.
They're Autobots.
Octuplets.
No, they're Autobots.
Autobots roll out. Isn't it Transformers?
Octopets.
Plets.
Octopets. I don't like that lady. Who is she?
That's the mom that gave birth to 8
Kids.
kids.
She's not a good lady. Her stomach hurts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Why is her
8.
stomach
That
big?
stomach looks like a shoe. Like somebody shoots
Wait,
you
where
like
did she?
stomach
Where
or
is she? Does she even get enough clothes?
I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea. Okay, but there's 8 of her eggs, right? They can play soccer
She.
by themselves.
Nadia Suleiman. What?
Ottomam.
No, her
Nadia
name is Suleiman.
Ottomam. Look at her.
Suleiman?
Look at the stomach is back to normal.
Wow, so many kids.
8 of
Wait,
them.
so 6 boys and 2 girls.
Yeah. And she's done.
Like just imagine them fitting in one house and cooking breakfast for all of them.
It's terrible. Okay. But usually in Singapore, if you have like twins or you have triplets or 4 kids, right? All your diapers, everything is sponsored.
It's what?
The government gives you free milk powder, free
Why?
diapers because you're amazing.
Cut the
Are you
milk.
sure?
Yeah, serious, right? Singapore have, right? Singapore gave birth to quadruplets.
Mr. Tang,
See?
you know I want to work for
What?
in the future?
What do you mean?
I'll become a contract killer.
What's a contract killer? Oh, this one
I
is
want
quite
to work
famous.
for Singtel. I terminate people contracts.
Alright.
Why? Don't you think you could do something better?
Okay, so quadruplets, right? 4 of them. Do they look the same? Okay, so this type, they all look different, correct? So it's different from twins. Twins. What's the difference between these quadruplets or octuplets and twins? What's the difference?
Because octopus.
Twins looks the same. Twins,
Octopus.
Singapore.
Mm-hmm.
See, they look the same.
What is that?
That looks like Elvis Presley.
Who is
No,
that gang girl?
twins looks the same. How come twins look the same?
What is that?
Twins.
It is not
No,
twins.
that.
Twins.
That thing. The thing that the head is combined.
Twins.
The head is combined.
Twins, there they combine.
I don't want to see the baby staring into another baby.
Twins, right? So these are twins. Now, why do twins look the same? How is it different from the quadruplets? Eh?
Why are you gonna cry?
Why do they look the same? Why do you think they look the same?
Some both.
We see their
Twins.
heads are combined.
No, this
What?
twins. They're twins.
These two just hugging each other.
Hugging, right?
No,
Twins.
the one on top.
Wait, what?
Answer my question first, right? How do twins look the same?
Because this only
Because that's how they are. Now I'm gonna get sweet because
Oh, because it's
like
one
and
sperm.
disgusting stuff.
Wow, these twins
Oh,
are
because it's one sperm.
very
Okay,
clever.
that's
You're
between
correct. No, you're
Wait,
correct.
exactly one sperm.
Yes. So the one sperm, one egg, one sperm, one egg feels already, right? Suddenly decided to split into 2. And then these 2 develop into itself. Baby.
I'm smart.
Twin 1, twin 2.
Okay, go for
Okay,
another.
5 minutes break. Come back. Wow. Okay. So just like animals, human beings reproduce through sexual reproduction. So where the female eggs and the females produce eggs and the males produce sperm. Okay. All right. So mammals, basically mammals, and we got to try some questions. Can you try some now? Come back to your seat. They have soft or hard shell. They are laid by all animals. They are produced by female. They grow and develop into young. Whether fertilized or not. 1.
Can you please make
Three.
the lotus?
We'll do
It's
some
really
questions first, right? Okay. Next, animals ensure the continuity of their kind through what? How do they ensure continuity? Yeah,
Reproduction.
reproduction. Very
Better
good.
nutrition.
Next, Sichen. Group A reproduces by? Yeah, she said 3. Awesome. Next. It's 3. Okay, eggs and sperms and reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Next one. Group B reproduces by Ashita.
C.
This
I don't
one?
know. Oh, that
By
one.
C.
Group
By
B.
C.
I
Group
don't
B.
know how to do number 4.
Two. It's two. It's two. It's
Two, yeah,
It's
two.
It's two. It's two. It's two.
Next one. Which of the following about the different eggs is not true? 一家.
I already answered the last question.
Hey, this is second round already.
Hey, what is the first thing? Human eggs do not have shells.
Not true.
Oh, not true.
That's the one I skipped.
This is true. This is true.
What?
Bird eggs have a hard shell.
Yeah.
Turtle eggs have a hard shell.
No.
You just say yeah. You told
False. False is false.
you said yeah for my answer.
Okay, turtle eggs are soft.
Mine's hash.
No, each.
Turtle eggs, soft shell. Okay, soft shell turtle eggs. Or
Oh, it's
turtle
kind of
eggs.
sentence.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, next one. Moving on.
Is there a lotus?
Okay, which of the following could
No, I
be
don't know how to
eggs? Eggs lay eggs. Classification. Which animal lays eggs? Is it the platypus, the chicken, the horse, or the whale?
Fatty yolks.
What? Which animal lays eggs? Come on.
Today's 25th, right?
What? Yeah. Come on. Okay, Shichen, your turn, Shichen.
So it is. I think it's platypus and whale.
Whale doesn't lay eggs. Shichen, what's the answer? Whale doesn't lay eggs. Huh? Shichen, what's the answer, Shichen? Shichen. Can someone see Shichen's answer? Shichen.
I see.
Yeah, I can see.
Hi.
What's the answer? Why you gotta stand up to see?
Because she's very far away.
Platypus.
She's covering it.
What?
One. She says one.
Where? No, I don't see where. What? What's the answer?
She says one.
That can be two.
She's going to hit you.
That's a two.
Yeah, that looks like a two. Is that a two, Shichen? So what is it?
It's a tree.
Yeah. See? Like that one. Three. Is that three?
I made it, but it's really tiny.
What? Another one?
Can I see?
Okay, it's not one.
But it's
Right? The answer is not one. I was giving you a chance, right? You can choose again. The answer is not one. If you choose one, that means the chicken don't lay eggs, no? How can chicken not lay eggs? Chicken lay eggs or not?
Yeah.
Have you ever eaten chicken eggs?
Of course.
Of course. Who ever eaten chicken eggs before?
A vegan.
Vegan?
No,
Vegan eat eggs?
No, a vegan
Not
from
chicken.
birth. A vegan from birth.
Nobody's a
Wait,
vegan
what's
from
the-
birth.
What's the illustration?
Alright, so the answer is two. I'm trying to help you. Right? Answer is two. Got it? Because the platypus and the chicken, they both lay eggs. Next one. Ashita. Answer for 7. Which one is Y? So what's Y? Y is give birth to the young alive. Which one give birth to young? Ashita?
Meal.
Yeah, the whale and the
Hot.
4C. So it's
Really?
4.
Really?
Okay, what is this? Right? These are so many
It
eyeballs.
looks like C words.
Okay, so which of the following are true about the objects in the drawing? So this is like a frog eggs, right? So you can
Yes.
see.
Oh no.
How do you know?
Because it's
Look at that.
Four.
Right? Frog eggs looks like that.
It's common sense. No.
Does Suchan know? Suchan, do you know frog egg looks like that? You see?
Why
You see?
is he holding it?
No. Right. So
Why is he
now,
holding it?
yeah, now we
How
know.
about salmon roll?
Huh?
Salmon roll,
And how about what is it?
frog eggs.
Yeah, bubble tea quite me.
No, the
Okay,
really
never
tiny
mind.
one.
Let's look at this. Which of the following are true about the objects in the drawing? They are seeds of water plants. What rubbish? Nope. There are eggs laid in water, yes. The eggs are soft shell, yes. So, Washita, what's your answer?
Bashita, yes, 4.
Is there a Bashita here?
It's me.
Okay, so the drawing, what does it show?
Wait, can you go up?
I thought it was a song.
Can you go up more? Is that an octopus leg? I mean, octopus tentacle.
No, that's leaf.
Okay, then go down. It is. Please go down. It is a human egg surrounded by sperms.
Correct. 2. 2 is correct. Very good. Your science is so much better than your math. Next. Okay, which of the following shows how a baby develops by an egg?
1.
时政 baby develop
One.
from an egg. Say 1.
Ooh, what is this?
My drink, what are you talking about?
No, so fancy.
Ashita,
Can
Where?
I answer 12? I'm not sure.
yeah, where does the fertilized ovum attach itself?
I don't know.
The womb. C.
Okay, so C. Can I answer 12?
Yeah.
2. Is it 2?
What's 2? Yeah. Excuse me. Can you come back? Come back. Right? Come back. We'll take last 5 minutes to do the origami, okay?
What? Origami.
I want that lotus.
Lotus.
I want to make my own.
No, but she need big piece of paper, right? Small one cannot, no.
How about the sugar?
The shuriken was really hard to make because it was
Yeah.
tiny.
Okay, the egg travels through the water to the place where it develops is the fallopian tube, okay?
The what? The Philippine tube?
Fallopian.
Whoa, it became a Filipino.
Not the Filipino tube. It's the fallopian. Okay, sperm travel what to reach the fertilized egg?
I haven't signed it.
D, vagina.
My name is Jerry.
D also.
Wait, what? Oh,
My name is Jerry.
Alright, so the fertilized egg of a human being will go
what's the
through.
date? 25th?
That is it. How long does it take to gestation for a human
My
baby?
name is Jerry.
Huh? Human baby, how long gestation? Is it-
9 weeks. Yeah, 9 weeks. 9 months.
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, 9 years.
Oh yeah, 9 years. You'll be pregnant in
Can you
9
imagine
years.
pregnant for 9 years?
Imagine the
Yes.
doctor in 2021. You'll be pregnant
30.
in 9 years. 2010 is just comes
20,
along.
30. Okay, the drawing shows that the hand is what? Happy,
Wait, is it
right?
9
No,
months?
it's 4 because
Is it 9
incubating the eggs
9 months.
because they need 1 for the chick to develop.
What is it trying to do? Is it breaking the eggs? Because
No,
the chicks need help
no,
to get out.
Incubating the egg.
4 incubating.
Yeah, it's incubating. Incubating. What are you doing?
He became a motorbike.
What are you doing? Okay, 2 more, then we do origami, okay? Alright, how about here? How about here? 18. Study the table, choose the most appropriate heading.
You are corn.
A is, what's it?
It is 4.
4. Eggs have a hard shell. No?
Oh wait, no, it's the other way around. No, A is 1.
That's 1.
Haha.
Next one.
The last question.
Which of the following can be put in column A? Chichen.
Chicken.
Column A.
I think it's
Frog and a toad together with.
I think it's octopus, huh?
It's a dolphin.
Wait, dolphin is
Is in the water, right? Lay eggs in water.
Of course, then the dolphin flying
It
there.
is the alligator.
Why?
Dolphin
That's
don't lay eggs, okay?
Wait, I thought they talking. Oh, I didn't.
Dolphin don't lay eggs, right? Crocodile, alligator lay eggs. But crocodile is most likely on the land. Alligator is the one that goes in the water.
Okay.
And the last one?
what?
Oh, the last one.
On me.
Which of the following can be put in column B?
Uh,
So lay eggs on land.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Crocodile then.
You said crocodile.
Now what?
Okay, finish. Let's do origami.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
That's
Yes.
all.
Yes.